Okay, let's begin this video. First of all, we're going to work on two words. One word is God, the other word is dog, and the last word is cat. Now, cat gets a numeric value of 42. 20th letter, first letter, and third letter. 24. Okay? The reverse of this letter is 7. The reverse of this is 26. And the reverse of this letter is 24. So instead of getting this, you get Z, G, X, 8, 7, 6. Funny that in the deck of cards, 8, 7, and 6 equal to just the 8. 7, 8, and 6 instead of 3, 1, and 2. A, B, C. A, B, C, cat, creating 24. 1 and 2 is 3. 3 and 1 is 4. 3 and 2 is 5. What do you get? 4 and 5. We now have the sun. What's created inside that? It's 1 and 4, which is your DNA. The other side of this, okay, depending on what world you go, is 2 and 3. How come? Because 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now we also have 7 and 7 equals to 14. 1 and 4 is 5. Now we have 8 and 6 equals to 14. 1 and 4 is 5. 1 times 4, 1 plus 4. Back into the sun again. 2 times 3, 2 plus 3. 5 and 6, 11. Both the cat and the 56 are the same dimension in life, because this one, 56, is the word for wolf. This is cat. When you keep multiplying it, they put us on different levels of word value. 56 would end up 5 by 6, 30. 5 plus 6, 11 equals to 41. 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 45 again. Back to the sun. So we got the sun and the cat, and we got the wolf all along the same lines. Let me see if I can continue on. So now we have number 24. We also have number 13. Why? 7 and 7. 7 and 7 is 14. 1 and 4 equals 5. 8 and 6, 14. 1 and 4 equals 5. 9 and 5, 14. 1 and 4 equals 5. On the other side, we had 2 and 3 equals to 5. How do we create 2 and 3? 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 equals to 2 and 3. Okay, so now what am I getting to? I'm just getting to basic knowledge. What happens? How can I create this scenario? How can I create the AC world of the cat? Well, first of all, okay, where can we go with this? 2 times 4 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 and 8, 14, minus 0, 2. Forget about the 20. Location. Location is in the sun. 0, 2, all zeros will always equal to 6. 0 meaning the spot that is marked, where the X stands, who you are, man 6. That's why I like to use. I don't want to say woman. I like to say woman is 3. Woman is 66. MAN is 28. Cycle of the moon. The woman runs the cycle of the moon. Let's forget about that. Gone. 7 times 7. We're not going to do that either. What we're going to do is, we were working on how I got to 1 and 2 we did. How we get to 6, how we get this is what I was going to work on. So 1 times 6, 1 plus 6 equals to 76. 7 and 6. 42. 1, 3, 4, 2. 7 times 6, 7 plus 6 equals to a total of 2955 equals to 8426. Now from 8426, we have cat. Okay, and it is a division. 8 and 6 is a division. In games, when you played a game of craps, 6 is on one side, 8 is on the other side. What's on the outside of 6 and 8? 9 and 5. What's on the outside of 9 and 5? 10 and 4. Communication, but remember, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 4 inside the sun. One more time. The sun is number 54. The fox telling me it's the passage. 4 by 5, 20. 4 plus 9. Location in birth. Zeros equal 6. How do we get there? 26 and 9, 35. Electric company. Now, there's many other things that we can connect to this, but it's a 5-minute video. Okay, I didn't want to go further in the video. It's funny that when you draw the two this way, upside down, it actually looks like a 7. But I didn't want to get into that. So now I'm going to show you, this is the 4, right? So if this is the 4, I can have the greatest diameter. I don't need to count anything else. Is that correct? But in order to function the center over here, for the center to have a function, I'm going to take you on to the next level and explain that to you. But first, automatically, by doing this design on the 6 cube, on the cube, you always see a dot over here and a dot over here, and you got 3 here and you got here in the 6 cube, right? This is only the half-life. We already know the distance by measuring the outside. We already know the difference by measuring the outside. We automatically know that that's the absolute in between. So what is the distance between here and here, here and here, here and here and here and here? What is that distance? 360 is all around. Would that mean 90, 90, 90, 90, 360? What is that distance? Because it's not a circle. How can we square off a circle and minus the relationship without using math? Would we go to 60? Saying, what is this compared to this? I need to know that difference. I'm assuming it would be a difference of 45. Nah, not even. Not even. If each one was 90, would you say it's 30? 30 and 30 is 60? Let's say it's 30, 60, 90, 120. If it was 120, the true 360 would be 240. So you're running 240. 240, what can we compare 240 to? Maybe the clock, the 24-hour day? I'm just playing with things. What if it was 25%? What's 25%? It's too hard of a calculation. What if it was 25% the other way? What if it was 70? Well, that wouldn't work in time. How would 70 work? What if it was 66? What if the passage here was 66 instead of 90? There would be a difference of 24. 24, 24, 24, 24. The total is 96. 96 away from 360 equals to 264. 264 sounds like that video number, 264. Anyways, we're going to leave it at that. Raphael 7286, a little mixed up. It's okay. I'd rather be doing this at home with my other camera. Too hard to do like this. But if you understood and where we went, 29 is your birth, 55 is your liberty, 84 is your Pluto. Ask me some questions. I'll do it again. Thank you for watching this video.